Round 2. Just because the first one didn't record. Or actually it did record. I just lost it all. So round 2, Magic Kingdom. So what are we about to do? Kind of like the Harry Potter Universal. So it's kind of like the Harry Potter at Universal. We're going to try it out today. Take a video of a few, maybe not all of them because there's a lot. And what that card, the guys were holding the cards, there's a lot of cards. So we'll check it out.
You are now in training session for Sorcerers in Magic Kingdom. You are about to cast your first spell. In front of you, before your very eyes, will be a portal. But to open that portal, you will need your magic key, and that is your magic band to do so. So go right ahead and tap in that keyhole over there. And let's let Merlin do all the talking.
Welcome to your spell training session, Sorcerer. Pretend I'm a dreadful underworld beast. The portal.
Now I'm about to hand you a spell card. You will use Aladdin's lamp. When ready, you will hold this card in your hand, stretch it down an arm's length, make sure the front side of this card is facing at that portal, and at any minute, watch the magic go in from there. Your wish has been granted.
Now, of course, if they take a few spells to defeat a need to. You got this. Now, the Lord of the Game wants to rule the Magic Kingdom, and we've got to stop it.
Congratulations, Sorceress. Your training is complete. You will now go on your first portal out in Fantasyland. The star symbol you see here on the Sorcerer's map is that very first portal to go to. An easier way to look for portals is also look for the circle of power on the ground just like that one. And the more you play, the more new spell cards you'll keep receiving. Just be sure you not only open your first designated portal you're assigned to go to, but also that you will come back here anytime or any day with your exact same magic band you have with you regardless. So without further ado, give you the rest of your spell cards. Last but not least, don't forget the map, and you're good to go.
Are you ready?
First time.
Flying magic carpet. What'd we get?
Cheeseburger egg rolls.
Cheeseburger egg rolls.
Or cheeseburger spring rolls.
They are to die for.
They're
Best.
really good. They're at the spring roll cart across from
Aladdin's carpet.
Aladdin carpet.
Yeah. Catty corner from it. Right around the corner from the Dole Whip area. Yeah. Super good. Suggest getting them. Pirates of the Caribbean.
Pirates of the Caribbean. Only a 15-minute wait right now.
Woo! That was like the coolest part.
It's Captain Jack Sparrow we're after, and a fortune in gold. Run up your white flag, you scurvy scum, and bring me Captain Jack Sparrow, or I'll be sending.
Sending hints to Davy Jones. It's the rum they want. Drink up me hearties.
Behind your shirt.
Matey.
That is a pretty cool shirt though. I do like this one too.
Yeah, I like
That's the whole reason why I like coming over here. Doing a little rocking.
Doing a little rocking and rolling.
Doing a little rocking at Tom Sawyer's Island.
It's relaxing.
We're breaking the rules. We're going through the exit. All right, let's see it, babe. Oh my goodness. Oh, that a girl. Let's see it. Run. Run. Right. Here I go.
Here he goes. Like a pro.
Haunted Mansion line looks very long. Are we going to get lost? Which way do we go? Very cool in here. Are we lost? Oh no. Which way? Look out! Oh, which way? Dead ends. Oh my goodness. You're so funny. I saw you, silly. And then you hurt yourself. Oh, we made it, babe. Yay! We're not lost. Going into the fort. You gonna shoot some rifles, babe?
Yeah. Oh, that's definitely you.
Oh, yeah?
Good job.
Hey. I'll flip on the dab. What are you shooting at, babe? Oh my goodness. Fast line. Crazy. Waiting in that line. Now are you ready for Splash Mountain?
Now I'm ready.
Biggest drop yet? Oh!
Now's our chance to set a trap. I'm heading low, a little bit further east of the pole.
There we go. About to get on the riverboat.
Yep. First time.
First time on the riverboat. Check it out. Are you excited?
Yes.
On the third deck. Our first riverboat ride.
Well, now. So I wouldn't lean out beyond those rails. Now, for those of you on the port side, that river town was passing.
I think it's on fire.
Of course, you're showing black people.
What do you think?
I like it.
You want your own riverboat?
Yes.
Are you ready? Big Thunder Mountain? It's just Big Thunder Mountain, like me. It's amazing when it's not raining. But it's a good day
It was.
for a
It was
round
nice.
two.
Yeah, it was relaxing.
Yeah, without the girls again. Since I messed up the first time, erased all our video. That's why we had to come back. It's a good thing we live close. So, well, it was all in all, it was a good day. Loved it. Loved it. Good date night.